So good evening to one and all. Our guest speaker this evening is Dr. Guillermo Garcia Anero. His lecture will be on advances in myelodysplastic syndrome. This webinar is brought to you by Mumbai Hematology Group. It is supported by ADLI, managed by Mice Ideas. I thank Mr. Ashutosh Shukla and his team from ADLI Oncology, Mr. Rajesh Kalpesh and their team from Mice Ideas, the Executive Committee of Mumbai Hematology Group. Our guest speaker this evening, Dr. Guillermo Garcia Anero from Texas MD Anderson, USA. All the discussants who are themselves eminent hematologists and medical oncologists, and all of you participants for sparing your Saturday evening, and you have registered. More than 500 of you have registered for this event. So discussants are Dr. Manoj Unni, Associate Professor, Department of Hematology, Stem Cell Transplant Unit at Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi. Dr. Sisir Kumar Patra, Consultant Hematologist, Oncologist and Transplanter at SGCCRI, Kolkata. Dr. Parathan Karunakaran is down with COVID and he may not be able to join us. Dr. Deepankar Bhattacharya, Associate Consultant, Medical Oncology, Hematology, Medanta Hospital, Lucknow. Dr. Vijita Datta, Hematologist, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, ESI, PGI, MSR, Maniktala, Kolkata. And Dr. Bharadwaj Ponada, Consultant Medical Oncologist, Hope International Hospital, Kakinada. Now to tell you about our guest speaker. Everyone knows him. If you have anything to do with MDS, he is like a father figure. He is the Dr. Kenneth B. McCready Chair in Clinical Leukemia Research, Department of Leukemia, University of Texas, MD Anderson Cancer Center. He also serves as the Chief of the Section of MDS, Vice Chairman for Translational Research, Leader of the AML MDS Moonshot Program, and the Program Director of the Leukemia Fellowship Program 2019. He was elected as chair of the Faculty Senate of the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center 2019. He was born in Spain and received his medical degree and the training at the University of Zaragoza in Spain and the Royal Free Hospital, London, UK between 93 and 96. He performed his internship and residency in internal medicine at Thomas Jefferson University Hospital, Philadelphia. He then continued his training with a fellowship in hematology, medical oncology at Cardeza Foundation for Hematology Research, Sidney Kimmel Cancer Center, and also at Thomas Jefferson University Hospital, where he served as the chief fellow. In 1999, he became assistant professor in the Department of Leukemia at the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center, where he has remained for the rest of his academic career. He focuses on understanding of the cellular and the molecular biology of MDS and AML with an aim to improve therapeutic options for the patients with these disorders. His work has been funded by NIH, DOD, LLS, CPRIT, MDS AML Moonshot Project. He has co-authored over 682 manuscripts. His last H index is 119 and his I-10 index is 630 with over 58,000 citations to his work. Currently, he's PI and co-PI of over 25 active clinical trials focusing on AML and MDS. He directs the largest single institution unit for patients of MDS in the world, with over 400 patients referred every year, and maintains one of the busiest clinics at MD Anderson. He has received several significant awards, such as the Otis W. and Pearl L. Walters Faculty Achievement Award in Clinical Research and the Emil J. Frerick Award for Excellence in Translational Research at MD Anderson. He has trained over 100 fellows and postdoctoral fellows. He has been a speaker at multiple national and international forums. It's our proud privilege to have him this evening to speak to us on the subject which he loves the most, advances in MDS. Thank you so much, and I request our speaker to give his lecture now.